So hello everyone, today we are going to start that how we are going to write our first shell script in Linux. So before I can say that we are going to write our first script, you have to follow the three steps. What are those three steps? The very first one is create the script with any editor. So what I'm going to recommend is I'm going to use Nano editor. So Nano editor, VI editor, Vim editor, any of the editor you can use. So first of all, create your file with any of the editor, like I'm going to tell you how to create. So file name is any user define. You can give the name like this with the extension .sh. Then after that, second step that you are going to follow is give the execute permission. How to give the permission? Chmod to change the mode of the file. Execute permission, if I have to assign, I have to use the plus symbol and X for execute and your script name, that is my script .sh extension. And the third step is how to run this. To run this script, I will be using / then your script name, that is my script .sh. So these are the three steps that you have to follow every time when you are creating any new file with the editor. So let's start with the first script now. So open the file with my script.sh. Okay, now I am inside the Nano editor. Here I will be writing few commands, like suppose echo to print any statement, my first script. Okay, now earlier what we were doing, we were writing one command at one time on the terminal. As we have already discussed the significance of shell scripting, where you can execute sequence of steps, sequence of commands. So now you can write any number of commands inside this. So the very first command I have written is with the echo command. Then if you want to check with which user you are logged in, whoami. Then if you want to check your system information, then the command is uname. If you want to check the current date and time of your system, then the command is date. Then if you want to check the current calendar of your system, then the command is calendar. Now you can type any number of commands over here. So how to save and exit in this Nano editor? You have to press Ctrl X, then press Y, then press enter. Okay, now you have created the file with some content. Just check the permissions of this file with the ls-l and your script name, that is myscript.sh. You can see that there is no execute permission, which means if I try to run by skipping the second step also, then it is going to give me some error message, that is my script.sh, that is permission denied. Okay, this is not allowing me to run. That means second step is very important, where I have to give the execute permission chmod plus x, then your script name. Like you have seen that I'm going to verify whether the script is having the execute permission. Okay, I hope you can see the green color, which means whenever the file is going to have the execute permission, your file name will also get the new color, that is green. Okay, now let's try to run this. I'm clearing the screen so that you can get the better idea that what I'm getting in the output. Okay, I'm going to run this. Okay, can you see that sequentially you are getting all the outputs on your terminal? Echo command output, then you are having the whoami output, then you are having the uname output, your current date and time, your calendar. So all the outputs are just in front of you with just executing one command. I hope you got it, the very first script. Thank you so much.